guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Melinda Brooke. So if you guys clicked on this video, then you read the title, and you know that today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how you can feel and look more attractive and expensive. So I did just want to break down that little video title real quick. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because a lot of people struggle with feeling good about themselves or feeling attractive or looking expensive or wanting that like effortless, clean, chic look to themselves and their style. And these are tips and tricks that I found help me kind of achieve that. Now with that, there's plenty of ways and different things that you can do to feel attractive, to boost your self-esteem, to literally make yourself feel good. There's so many different things you can do. These are just 8 tips and tricks that I find help me feel good, help me look more attractive, help me feel more attractive, and also that help me feel more elegant and classy and look like I have that kind of demeanor to myself. So there's no shade being thrown. If you do something that I don't mention that makes you feel good, awesome. So happy for you. If I mention something that you don't do, don't take it as like any offense in any sort of way, because I'm not saying that you need to be doing these things in order to be attractive or look expensive. No, these are just some tips to help you if you guys want to do that or feel this way. So these tips are really great. They're super easy, some of them, and honestly they're just great to help you build your self-esteem and feel good about yourself. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that no one takes offense to anything, please. This is all just to help each other spread self-love, spread self-care, and feel good about ourselves, okay? So if you guys end up liking this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to come join my big crazy YouTube family. And with that being said, let's cue the intro music and get into the video. So the first tip that I have that I find really helps people look more attractive, look more put together, more chic, more elegant, is having your hair done. Now, I don't mean have it blow dry, get it done. No, I mean if your hair is dirty, pin it back or wash it. Don't leave the house with your hair looking crazy. One of my favorite things to do if my hair is looking a mess is I'll slick it back into either a low bun or a low ponytail. You can do a high bun if you want, or a high ponytail. Just pull your hair back. Just try to get it out of your face. Now, sleeking it back is such a chic look. It can make you look so much more presentable, and no one will know that you have dirty hair. It's a great way to cover up dirty hair if you need to go to work or you need to go out and you didn't have time to wash your hair. It also helps kind of reveal your face a little bit more. So that's kind of nice. It makes your face the focal point and not your dirty hair. So just put it back if it's dirty, and if you want to wear it down, great. Just wash your hair. Number 2 is going to be try wearing a lipstick. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, I don't even wear a lot of lipstick, if I'm being honest. I'm like a chapstick girl or like a clear gloss. But even throwing on a simple clear gloss can help kind of enhance your lips. And I feel like it's just been like a timely thing that having some lipstick on your face just makes you feel sexier, more attractive. I don't know. So, I mean, for me, that's clear lip gloss. For some people, it's red lipstick. I know when I throw on a red lipstick, I'm fierce, okay? And for other people, it's black lipstick or purple lipstick, whatever it is. It just helps kind of draw people into your face, into your lips. I would say that if you're not a lipstick wearer like me, invest in like a good lipstick that's close or like exactly your lip color. I actually have this NYX. This is actually my darker shade, but this is the NYX Power Puff Lippy. It just looks like this. So I'll press some. I'll just add a little bit to my lips. And see how it just kind of like brings my lips to life? It like says, hello, I've arrived on your face. My lips are not as dull anymore. They have some life back into them, some color, and they just look like they're vibrant and alive, and that helps you feel, or at least it helps me feel, a little bit sexier, like someone's gonna notice, someone's gonna pay attention when I'm talking, and I want that to happen. Pay attention when I talk, you know what I mean? So that's like a trick that I have that I like. Now, sticking with beauty or like makeup tips to help you look and feel more attractive slash expensive, try to go for a no makeup look. Let me break this down. I'm not saying don't wear makeup. I know people love to wear makeup. I know for some people it's an art. I know that some people, that's how they express themselves. I love it. Absolutely. All I'm saying is that to get that kind of expensive, chic, effortless look, you want to use makeup to kind of enhance and bring out your natural beauty. Now, with that said, not everyone can just throw on a CC cream with a little blush, mascara, and a little lipstick or a little lip gloss and call it a day and say, hey, let's go out the door and feel comfortable. I mean, I know if I have a zit or like if I am breaking out, I'm gonna put on cover up, I'm gonna put on my foundation, I'm going to, you know, do all those things. Which you still can, it's just you want to use the makeup to enhance the features you already have. An example of that is like I wear winged eyeliner all the time, and I know for some people just putting on eyeliner, like a winged liner, is a lot and they would never do it. But for me, even though it is kind of like an extra step of my makeup routine, I love doing that because it helps bring out the almond shape of my eye that I have naturally. It kind of just enhances the shape and makes it stand out a little bit more, whereas if I wasn't wearing any liner, you might not notice it as quickly as you do when I am wearing the liner. So my next tip for you guys is that perfume is so important. You want to find a scent that fits you. It fits your personality, it fits your style. Go through, spend the day at literally a perfume store and just try a bunch of things, see what fits you, and then stick with it. You don't need to change it. You don't need all these different scents. Just find one and you'll be set for life. The reason I say it's so important is because it can really help you just boost your confidence. And let me tell you why. When you are passing somebody and you're wearing a perfume that you know smells good, you know you love, it suits your personality, it suits your style, and you're wearing it and you pass somebody, you now feel more attractive and confident because you know that as you're passing that person, they're being left with such a pleasant scent. It can make a person remember you. It can literally do so much for your confidence. I know I have used the same perfume since I was 13 and I still always get complimented on it. I have the Viva La Juicy Couture. Oh my god, so chic. It smells so chic, it smells clean, it smells beautiful. I don't know, it smells so good. I have friends that literally will smell this and say, holy crap, that smells like Melinda. Now I've been using a lot more my Burberry perfume. It's literally called It's literally called My Burberry. And what's funny is that they actually smell very similar. Now with perfume, I do want to mention that you don't want to wear too much. So the proper way to actually wear perfume, I'll use my Juicy Couture. The proper way to actually wear perfume is you do a spritz on the wrist. Now, I like to put it onto both wrists, but you could just do the one. And you do it on the opposite side, right behind your neck. Or your ear, you can say. If you want, you can do both, but sometimes that can be really strong. I just like to do the one, and then the one wrist, and then I'll dab it onto the other wrist. Now, the reason you want to do this is because you don't want to have too much. You don't want it to be overwhelming. You don't want to like spritz your whole body down. It's not to scent your whole body. It's solely so that when you go in to hug somebody, or when someone comes to give you a kiss on the cheek or anything like that, they smell that little spritz of perfume, and then it's like, boom, holy crap, this girl smells so good, you know? Invest in perfume. It's so important. I don't know how else to say it. So then attached to perfume is just have good hygiene, guys. Nothing is worse than bad hygiene. And nothing is less attractive and nothing is less elegant than not being clean. It's simple. Wear deodorant, take your baths, take your showers. Just take care of yourselves. Take pride in your body. It's the only one you get. So you want to take pride in it. And that's it. My 6th tip for you guys is, honestly, be positive and confident in yourself and as a human being. Nothing is worse than looking down on others, thinking you're better than others, having a bad attitude towards things, being envious or jealous of other people, talking about them behind their back. Like, nothing is more unattractive than a bad attitude, negativity, and just envy. It doesn't make you look good as a human being, which in turn doesn't make you feel good as a human being. It might for a moment if you get a laugh because you made a joke about somebody, but overall, you're not going to feel good about yourself making fun of others. There's this quote that I really like, and it's hurt people, and it's just so true. Hurt people really do hurt other people, so you want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself, you're healing yourself before you go on and take on the world. Because if you're not good with who you are and your life, then you're just going to push out all this negativity into the world, and it's going to turn around and make you look bad as a human being. If you don't like something about yourself, work hard to try and change it. For example, I am not a fan of my legs. I think that they're too chunky for my opinion. I'll be honest, but I also work hard to try and change it to be what I want it to be. So just knowing that I'm working hard to be better helps me feel better about myself. Let others motivate you to be a better person, to be a better you, and not to do the opposite. Now, by being confident, I mean be working towards bettering yourself every single day. No one needs to know how confident you are. You just need to know in your heart and in yourself that you're confident, or that you're working towards being confident. And then just having that confidence with yourself will really radiate in your energy and your positivity, and that'll radiate with other people. And my final tip is actually to be able to have a conversation. In our world nowadays, we have two things going on. One, technology is ruining conversations or people's ability to have conversations, which is really sad to see when you're at a restaurant and you see a group of friends or two people just sitting on their phones, not actually talking to each other. I mean, I have social media, I have phone, I grew up with technology, so yes, I'm on my phone a good amount, but I make it a habit to, when I'm with someone else, put my phone away and be present in the moment. Because I hate to break it to you, but not being present in the moment is going to make you look so bad. Not being able to have a normal, decent conversation with somebody is so unattractive. Like, it's a necessity. If you can do it over the phone, you can do it in person. Just pretend you're texting, but use your mouth as the keyboard to spill the words. And then the second part to that, the second thing that's happening is that people are talking, but no one's listening. Part of having a conversation is being an active listener, and nothing's more attractive than someone who actually listens to the other person that they're talking to. If someone tells you something and then you bring it back up in conversation later or a different day after seeing them, they're instantly like, holy crap, she remembered that. She remembered something about me. That's crazy. Like, that's crazy to someone else for you to remember something about them. And it could be something so small, but it just shows them that you're actively listening to them, that you're caring about what they're saying, and that in turn makes them feel a certain way about you. It makes them look at you differently. It makes you look more attractive. It makes you feel more confident when other people are feeling good because of you. So try to not only be able to have a conversation, but to also be an active listener. A great tip for being an active listener is to, one, be present in the moment, but when someone's talking to you, don't be thinking in your head what your response is going to be already. Just sit there, listen to them, and then wait 3 seconds and then respond. Allow your brain to take everything that they're saying in and then respond. It really does help. I did it. I did it to help me with my active listening skills, and I'd like to say I'm a pretty good listener. So yeah, those were my tips on how you can feel or look more attractive / expensive. I do hope you guys like this video. I know the tips are kind of like, well, duh, but like most people wouldn't think that doing something like listening to a conversation or having a conversation would be attractive. I do actually have another video where I'm going to be giving you guys tips on how you can look more attractive or feel more attractive / expensive when it comes to your wardrobe, but that is going to be in another video. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and turning your bell notifications on so that you don't miss out when that video goes live. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on Fashion Friday. Bye, guys.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.